Hey, it's Steve with Tri-State Overland again, and I wanted to go over my next fun toy that I got for Christmas this year. I actually got 2 sets of this because we have 5 kids between us, so we needed a lot of silverware. This is a flatware set from Frontrunner, and it comes in this nice little carry case, and we're going to go over what's in it and what it does, and it's really cool. So basically, let's open it up. Undo the clips, and we unfold it, to a flatware set. So the first thing is we've got these little carabiners on the hooks so that we can actually stand it up, or hang it rather, on something. And I'm going to stand it up on my case for this, hopefully, so you see a little better. So what it comes with, everything you see here, it's got 4 steak knives. It's got a very large carving knife, 4 forks. Everything's stainless steel, nice black handles. Used these again this past weekend when we were camping, and it's really nice not to have to use plastic silverware when you're out. So we got 4 of the smaller spoons, 4 of the larger spoons, and on this side we've got a wine opener, which is pretty cool because we like wine. There's a nice paring knife. This is a serrated knife. It's a pretty big knife. Then you've got a big serving spoon, you've got a spatula, and then we've got a fork. So that's used for carving birds, or holding a hammer, or whatever you want to do with it. Would have been great to have this in November when we did our Friendsgiving, because we were carving turkeys over the campfire, and that would have been great to use to hold it while we carved the hell out of it. Also, it's got a smaller cutting board, but it does really nicely for campsites, if you're on the tailgate of the truck or whatever. And everything just kind of goes right back in here, and very compact, very nice. Like I said, we got 2 sets of these because we have a lot of kids, so 4 forks aren't really going to do us much good on any trip. And then everything just kind of folds back up. So we have, essentially hang in the back of the truck or wherever. I hung mine from the bottom of the rooftop tent. Just fold it back up. And we fold it here. It cinches up nicely. And yeah, it's an awesome little set. The knives are super sharp. The forks are very durable. Everything is great. Worked really well, so I'm very happy with it.